We would like to show you the indigenous and native trees, shrubs and plants that's edible in and around our Namibian Food Forest Homestead. Mostly we have marulas, quite big trees with a round fruit that's having a large pit, but around it is soft flesh that you can eat that's sweet. The pit also has two spots that the germination comes from, and that part is also edible, like coconut almost or something. I will show you in the Makalani segment. We also have a lot of tambotis growing around for lumber. Otherwise we don't really have anything for lumber around. Makalani trees take quite a long time to grow, about 100 years at least. So to plant them for food in the near future is not a feasible option, but around here you're sure to find Makalanis. I want them to look like this. It's got a shell on the outside. If it's nice red brown like this, it's quite sweet and tasty, but it's like a fiber. The rabbits likes them too, so then you get this very hard shell, which is about a millimeter thick, and inside there is this bit, and that little piece there is like coconut, but it's very small. So this is edible and also quite sweet, tastes very nice, but it's not much inside one nut, and that of course is edible. Then we also have Zemenia, also known as sour plum. We have two varieties growing here, an orange and a red one. Underneath the skin is a fleshy piece of fruit covering a large nut shell, and also inside the shell is something like a peanut, which is also quite nice and edible. It's also used in some skin products, I know, and it's quite a drought tolerant plant. The leaves differ from the two varieties. The one is much larger and greener than the other one. We also have the elusive Omayovas. I can't find any in time to make footage of it, but this is an example of how big a termite mound can get over the years. And the mushrooms only grow in the rainy season, when the temperature and the moisture and everything is just right. I don't think it's possible to cultivate them at all. We also have what is known as jackal berries, and he has two varieties. The one, the leaves is much more having lines and stuff, and the other one, the leaf is more smooth. Nice yellow flowers. The fruit is a bit orange brown. Small berries, but they are edible and nice.